So here we have the Ford Focus on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. Above that, the total miles of the car. Firstly, there are 53,958. We've got a digital readout for the speedometer there. You can change this information for various different menus. So we've got our audio, telephone, a settings menu, trip computer, and back around to the beginning again. Those buttons are accessed, or those menus are accessed via this button just here. We have our stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control and speed limiter. And then over into the centre, the main touch screen for the car. So this is where you pair up your phone.
Search for Ford Focus on your device and select Ford Focus once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from that point. When it comes to audio, we have AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, we've got USB input as well, which will appear up there if you were to plug USB devices in. Down the bottom, we can access certain mobile apps, and we have a settings menu as well. Main volume for the stereo and a few physical stereo controls. Beneath that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the speed of the fans, of course, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have a heated rear screen and a heated front screen, USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, plenty of storage. You can see the key down there. This car's got keyless start, so you just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. And the start and stop button is just there. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. You can turn your traction control on and off. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when this light shows. And you can change the driving setup of the car. So you can put it into normal, eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.